Okay, so I don't know what that noise is, and I don't know if y'all can hear it. I think somebody's vacuuming. So excuse that noise. We're probably gonna have to be hearing that for a while, the most, but it's all good because, you know, it's not gonna stop us from getting this content out. Can't stop, won't stop. Rockefeller, because we get down, baby. We get down. I'ma stop doing the damn most.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I am very excited and I just have to give myself a pat on the back. Because, you know, I am the queen of inconsistency, but I'm going strong. I'm 3 for 3. We 3 for 3 over here. 3 for 3 gang all day. Can't see us. That's what we do over here. Stunting on these ho-ho-hos. How are y'all doing today? Hope everyone's good. Hope everyone's doing well. Today's my birthday. I am excited. My day has been, honestly, my day's been good. My day has been good. I woke up this morning not feeling the best or the greatest, but speaking to my family, getting lovely birthday wishes, and speaking to a new friend has definitely raised my spirits a lot. So I'm feeling hella thankful and hella blessed, and I am truly feeling like the luckiest girl in the world right now. So I'm not gonna sit up in here and cry on this camera. I know my sister probably laughing at me right now because she know I will cry at at the drop of a dime. Your girl be over here emotional, boy, and like, I cry when I'm happy, I cry when I'm sad, I cry when I'm mad, I cry when I see a cute doggy, I cry when I see ducks, I cry, I just cry. I don't know, it's just, it makes me feel good. And I highly recommend you do it too, trust me. But today is just gonna be a birthday vlog, like a day in the life of a newly turned 34-year-old woman. I don't know, but yeah, it's just gonna be just a simple little day in the life, my birthday vlog. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, show y'all what I'm doing right now. I'm currently editing the vlog that I filmed this morning at 3:00 a.m. because I need to get this edited and uploaded. It is currently 11:28 a.m. and I need to get this quickly edited and uploaded to the channel. Yeah, I need to get that edited and uploaded to the channel because I have to eat breakfast still, take a shower, shave my legs. I don't even know why I'm shaving my legs because me and my sister are going out, like I said. I'm not even sure what I'm wearing, but for some reason I just want to shave my legs. I don't know, but I definitely wanted to give myself a pedicure. I wanted to try to get the grabbers on these hands or whatever. Might have to say that for tomorrow because it legit takes me like 3+ hours to do my nails. So that's a whole nother story. But like I have a lot to do today, but I'm gonna get everything done today. Period. Poo. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. I'm gonna give myself 1 hour. 1 hour to edit. And I say that because I am a huge overthinker and I want to force myself to just trust myself and to trust the process and get the vlog edited, because I will edit the vlog and I will go back and then re-edit and then go back and add in and then go back and take out, and you know, sometimes it just be too much, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this for an hour and then edit some pictures that I want to post to my Instagram promoting the vlog I put up yesterday, and then take my shower, eat breakfast or brunch, and then you know, do my makeup and just really, you know, really get this day going. So I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all enjoy hanging out with me today, and I think this is gonna be a fun day. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay. Let's go. Alright, so here we are. Freaking 3:35. Didn't I say I was only going to be editing? Didn't I only say I was going to be editing for an hour? Honey, I can't deal with this video editing. But you know what? I might have had a breakdown or two, but it's all good. It's all good because we got the video done. And the more I do this, the better I'm going to get. So, you know, sometimes you just have to have the meltdown. You just have to do it. Y'all, I'm stressed. I'm stressed. Now let me go ahead and export. I'm gonna export this baby. I might have called it Old Christmas Tree. Vlogmas Day 2, Old Christmas Tree. We're just gonna call this Mini Christmas Tree. Sorry if you can hear that noise in the back. That is my widow heater, my portable widow heater. Y'all, it's cold. It's brick up in this room, so we got to have that thing pumping because my toes was literally feeling like they were catching frostbite. So, you know. Let me go ahead and get my little export preset. I'm gonna add that to the queue or whatever. Come on now. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and it's exporting. Yeah. Happy dance. So yeah, we're gonna let that export real quick like, and then this is where I am going. Me, my sister's new friend, and my new friend, not at that. Basically, honey, me and the girls is going to the FogHarbour Fish House in SF. As you can see, it's by the water, so you know what that means. It's gonna be Brick City, so I plan on being out there looking like a whole snow woman. So, you know, outdoor seating because California is shutting down again. I can't deal with the outdoor seating. I can't deal with outdoor seating. I can't deal with California shutting down again, even though they were the ones that started to reopen. What did y'all think? Make it make sense. And number 3, I can't deal with the cold weather. I can't deal. But let me stop. I'm gonna go ahead real quick and make a thumbnail, and yeah, I'll be back after I'm done with the thumbnail. Okay, I can't think of any more tags, and I'm honestly rushing. We're supposed to be leaving at 6, and it's 4:36, bruh. I am like panicking right now. I'm in panic mode. Okay. Can't do it. Wait, where the hell do I add the thumbnail? Hold up. They played me. Oh, I'm about to say, wait a minute now. Hold up. Okay, So luckily my desktop, thumbnails. There's my thumbnail. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. Yes, thumbnail. Yes. Love that thumbnail. Look at that. Honey, girl, I am. Yes. Yes. Ooh, this lighting is trash. Hey y'all. I'm gonna quickly pick out my clothes that I wanna wear. Pick out my winter fit because, honey, SFB break and I almost tripped. So, I'll sit here. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, y'all. We're gonna wear these jeans. Honestly, since we have to sit outside, I'm about to bundle up, honey. We about to be bundled. Bundled like you do your cable, internet, and TV. Got my little Lon Johns at. I should wear these, to be honest. Alright, so I got my little Lon John type paint things. And then let's see. As far as sweaters go, I don't know if I want to do a sweater. I don't know if I want to do like one of these. I think I might just do that and then just wear a scarf. Because I wanted to wear this, but I think it might be too cold for this. Well, it's gonna be like 50 degrees. I've never even worn this before. I might do this little sweater with these jeans. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do yeah, I think I'm gonna do the sweater, I'm gonna do the jeans, and I'm gonna do the thigh-high boots. I'll put like a little shirt under it just in case I get hot, I can take it off. I doubt it because 50 degrees. But yeah, so I'm gonna go take a shower really quick and probably throw on like a 5-minute face. And I'll check back in. And actually, hold on. I think my video done. Let's see. Honey, it is 4:42. I am. Ooh, okay. Yes, my video's done. My video's done. So let me go back. I wanted to do this. Do this part. Honestly, y'all, nah, that's good. Wait, no. Hold up, we need to slide. I'm gonna slide these over a bit, like that. Okay, now we can save. Next, Christmas tree. We're gonna go ahead and publish.
I got no worries.
I didn't drink it yet. And I'm already. So these drinks expensive now. Can't keep spilling it. Cheers. Yeah, can we do cheers? I'm gonna do it. Oh God. I'm pretty sure they think I'm gonna.
I got you, good.
Okay. Alright, let me just get a video. This looks awesome. Wow. I like it. It's blue. It's so pretty.
church music? Alright, Jose. Oh, that's pretty.
Enjoy, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Jose.
Thank you, thank you. I like it, I like it.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tiffany.
I can't do.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoying.
Thank you. I love. Yes, Blondie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you today. Tis a